Thank you all again for joining me on my learning journey. As you may know, T2L Academy is an initiative that I started with the mission of teaching to learn. So I learn, and then I share with you and teach, so that I can learn better, and hopefully in the process, I can help you learn too. So today I'm going to be sharing my learnings on this brief overview of machine learning. So I believe I touched on this concept a bit in my data science video, but I wanted to take a minute to explore it a bit further. So machine learning is when a machine learns from data and not from nitpicky rules. So there are a lot of advanced concepts with machine learning, but what's important about it when you're first starting out is to realize how these algorithms work. So in a rules-based algorithm, say you're teaching a machine how to walk. You could program it saying, pick up right foot, place right foot in front of you, set right foot, pick up left foot, place left foot in front of right foot, put down left foot. And you could keep programming it like that. But an easier thing to do, or not easier, but more efficient thing to do would be to use machine learning. Feed the machine tons of videos of a person walking. And with machine learning, it could learn from that data. So you do have to program these algorithms, but you do not have to program as many little rules as you would for a rules-based algorithm. So again, in a rules-based algorithm, it's programmed by rules, and in a machine learning algorithm, it's programmed by data. The reason why machine learning has become so popular now is because, just like data science, computers have more abilities to handle a lot of data now, and there's a lot of data available. Because of this, machine learning has become much more possible in recent years. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. I'll really appreciate it if you leave your comments, feedback, and further suggestions for additional learnings below. I'll see you in the next video.